Thanks for joining us. Today is December 16th, 2011. Our first story tonight is an asteroid is going to hit Jupiter within the next 10 years. Scientists say that this asteroid is named Vesta. For information on asteroids, let's go to our expert on asteroids.
Thank you, Bailey. There are 4 classes of asteroids. The C-class asteroids are in the outer belt of the Earth and are dark. The D-class of asteroids are around Jupiter and are also dark. The S-class of asteroids are between Earth and Mars. They are made of stone and iron. The V-class of asteroids follow the path of Jupiter and Uranus. Asteroids do not have atmospheres, but they could have moons and are normally covered in dust. The asteroid Vesta formed similarly to the planet Earth. Back to you, Bailey.
Wow, thanks, Katie. We got a video from NASA of this asteroid going through space. Let's go watch it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pleiades, rapid brightening.
As descent sees it.
Near spec is acquired. We see it.
17 degrees aft. Above Mars. Peak heating.
Oh, that's cool.
Foresight.
Quite a trail.
Near spec has a great view.
Air plasma lines have been detected. Molecular emission over there. HDTV, you got a strong wake. Go get it.
Oh, we got that, boys.
What? What are you doing? She's crazy!
Hello, world. Thank you for joining. Oh, did that? Oh, Katie, you were pressing the wrong button.